Hey, fellow collectors, today we'll be taking a look at G.I. Joe Classified Retro Recondo. Now, this brings back so many memories of me having this as a kid, and it definitely brings back the nostalgia part for the retro cards. Now, on the back here, we can see he does come with his data card file here that you can cut out. He also shows the 3 figures that are released in this retro version, and they will have more. So if we look at here, we can see, raise this up, we can see his card file. Please pause to read. Now if I do put him back, bring in my scale, we see that he's coming in at 7.8 ounces. So let's get him out of the package and off the scale.
Hey, open, damn it, open!
Okay, now that we have him out of the box, he does come with this G.I. Joe stand, this backpack, this machete, this little pistol here, his Recondo hat, and his weapon. Now Recondo is looking suave in that big old mustache of his. See his patch. Very cool. His holster here. Holster that gun. And then this machete here. You can see how that sheath is just a little made just enough for it, I think. Now, Recondo likes to fall. He doesn't like to stay on his stand. But he's coming in at 6.5 inches tall. It's a little bit taller than the normal, but my Recondo doesn't want to stand straight. He just wants to keep leaning back. You can see him wiggle here. He's a little loose right here at the top. But anyway, something I hopefully can fix. If not, he'll just stay on the shelf anyway, right? Now, as far as articulation goes, yeah, see, he doesn't want to stand at all. He is just not liking that. So as far as articulation, he can look up, down, right, left, T-pose, arm rotates around, bicep swivel, double bend in the elbow, wrist rotation on a peg hinge. Can do a pretty good back, forward, and rotates at the waist. He does a pretty good split here. Whenever you do that, that machete will bend. And he can do a pretty good forward and back. See a nice kick forward. Double bend at the knee. Boot swivel, as well as an ankle on a peg hinge. Can move forward and back. Now he has hollow boots as well. And it looks like this one is not as deep as that one. So that might be why he's not really wanting to stand. He just keeps coming up. So Recondo is currently out in the market. So you can find him, Hasbro Pulse. I know Amazon had him. But if you're looking for him, you can find them around right now. Pretty reasonable price. Not Scalpers hasn't got a hold of them yet. So with that, I want to remind you to like, subscribe, and keep collecting.